Welcome to Naga. Right, today what we're going to do is we thought it'd be a good idea. You know, I keep saying to you that on my budget, we never have a lot of money to spend on fruit, really. But when we do spend it on fruit, we try and get as much fruit for money, don't we?
Maybe I need to diet as well.
What do you mean, maybe?
Because of this, my baby part.
She's putting a load of weight on. And then I says to her, it's because you drink that, what's it called? Sting. It's like an energy drink. And she's addicted. She's addicted to it. And then she says, no, I don't drink it anymore. And then I went to the shop the other day. She says, treat me. What do you want? Sting? Yeah.
It's hard, you know.
It's hard, you know. Yeah.
Like,
I know. I'm just.
So guys, we're gonna buy. Today we're gonna buy cheap fruits.
Yeah.
You can buy there as well, but you can get as well a cheaper.
Yeah, we know where to go cheap, you see.
Yeah.
So we thought $5 is a good amount of money to give you an idea of what we can get for $5 if you are street smart and you know where to go, like here. But there's other places we're going to go, and then we'll show you what we'll end up with for $5. Oh, see, on a crossing, if I hadn't have seen that, I'd have been under it. So you go to the street vendors, right?
7 for 50. But it's a small abroad, double.
So that's 7 pieces and 3 oranges. They're not very big though. Yeah. They're not very big oranges, are they?
Yeah, small. The orange now, it's expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Because normally we can buy that 10 for 10 pesos.
Yeah, there's no. And normally as well, the 10 pesos ones would be bigger than them as well, wouldn't they? So, what? Yeah. So what about lemons? Have we got enough lemons? Can't hear you, babe. Now, there's one thing that you've got to get used to as well. They make it really impossible for you to actually just take your time and shop around. They're trying to encourage you to buy. See, these are bigger.
25 each, and this one is 20 each.
That's 20.
25.
25.
This one is bigger than this.
Right, so 25 pesos, you can see you're not going to get many oranges for 250 pesos. So 250 pesos is roughly $5.
25.
So 25 for an apple. Yeah, where we can get 7.
Yeah, but that's 7.
They're not as big, yeah, but even so. The grapes are quite expensive because of the small sweet ones. They're the sweet ones, I think. No, they're not. They're the big ones. She's just put them in bag. Or are they? No, the small ones. The sweet.
They had a seed.
Yeah, and they're not very sweet, are they? So where's the best place to buy then, babe? Are we going to buy 7 apples?
Yeah, over there.
Yeah. What about the oranges? We're not going to buy them oranges.
It depends if you want that. That's what we have to buy there.
Well, it's getting the most for our money, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's 3 oranges for what?
50.
For 50.
It's smaller. It's like same for that 20 pesos. Right.
They're the same size as them though, there, aren't they?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Right,
You
so
have, 10 pesos.
right, we'll get 3 oranges as well. You got to shop round, guys. You got to shop round.
It's yummy.
No, it's bitter, you liar.
No,
Yeah.
sometimes it's sweet. How many is only one?
Yeah, just get 50 pesos.
20 pieces. Pinapili. 20 pieces ayun oh.
What's that?
Apple.
Apple what?
Apple ay ng 25.
25. Same as round the corner for a big apple. You see, they just assume you're going to have one. No, thank you. I'm terrible.
Hindi ko bigas ako mga bakal ma'am. Laban sa kubig. Amo na taramaan ka mo kayo.
So, there you go.
100.
Now, of course, we can't pass this store without getting some eggs.
Mainitan ka.
Yummy.
It's very hot.
They weren't here the other day when we come. Just telling us it's hot. No, it's not. Right, this is where you don't come for your fruit. Unless you're desperate.
The reason why it's more expensive there because they're renting.
Yeah, they have to pay rent. The fruit's no different to what we've just bought. Same as the grapes, they won't be sweet because they're too big and they've got seeds. It's the tiny ones, the small ones, look. Huh? Oh, my favourite, yeah.
170
170.
per kilo.
Oh my god. And what would you get for a kilo? About 3, maybe 4. So I'm guessing this will disappear once this
I think this is done the phone permanent.
it's going to be permanent, is it?
I don't know.
I wouldn't think so. So they've not got the tiny sweet grapes. So 10 pesos for an apple, and we've just getting 7, same size. So we're going to our next place. So hopefully they'll be there. Ate, is it sweet?
Sweet bean ay
Sweet?
Yes. Yes, sir.
sweet.
Sweet.
Ah,
Can I try? Can I try?
Yes, sir.
oh, dito.
Not bad. Yeah. We'll get half a kilo.
You can get the red. Kabakon ha.
Yeah, they're not bad. So we're going to get half a kilo,
Take the red.
which means we'll have spent 170 pesos so far. So again, what's that? 50 for 7.
Yeah.
So this is where you come, you see, for your fruit, and it's no different to the fruit that you'd pay a little bit more money for around there. They all get them from the same place. So now we're going to get some bananas. This is the next place where we get our cheap bananas. There's different there's different. There's the small ones. They're very sweet. These. The larger ones are a little bit more expensive. Yeah. And it's 20 pesos for a half kilo, which is very good.
How many? Just 1 kilo?
Just 1 kilo, yeah. Do we need some okra, Mel? Mel, okra. There you go. Now normally, the old woman that we help is here. She's sat here, somewhere around here in that doorway normally, but she's not here. But I guess that's because it's very, very hot.
It's 50. How much you give?
100. He's normally dancing into outside Pure Gold. I've given him some money a few times, bless him. He's looks like he's a little bit disabled. So we've got 40 pesos left.
You can buy pear.
Pear, yeah. How much are your pears?
25 each.
25 each.
Century paste, masarap yun, matamis.
Yeah. Right, so I'll have 2. I'm gonna get 2 pairs. Thank you. I wasn't going to count the half a kilo of grapes. I was just going to count a quarter of a kilo. But we're going to count that, so we've actually gone over by 10 pesos, guys. So we're just going to sit down and show you again what we got.
We have 5 different fruits.
So you can see these street sellers are everywhere. You can get almost anything you want for cooking just off the street sellers if you're into fresh stuff. So let's just go over again what we got for $5. So we got 2 pairs.
Cost 50 pesos.
50 pesos.
Bananas cost
40 pesos. So that's 90.
Grapes for 70 pesos.
That's 70 pesos, is
Yes,
it? My
half.
God.
70.
So 70 pesos. So that's 160.
The apple is 7 pieces for 50 pesos. The apple,
Yeah.
7.
So 160. So that's 210.
Plus 50 pesos for 3 orange. So how
So
much?
that's 260. So we've gone just 10 pesos over. So it was just a little over $5, and you've got all this fruit. So I don't think that's too bad. Now if you'd have gone to the normal fruit stalls, that would have cost not a lot more, but could add another 50-60 pesos to that at least. So I hope you enjoyed that little walk around to try and get the cheapest fruit. This is actually what we do all the time. Mel does it when in fact she likes it better when I'm not with her, because she tries to haggle. So that's it till the next video, guys. And a busy Naga again. It's quite busy today. It really is. I've not seen so many people as I've seen today. Yeah, I've just said that. Anyway, over to you then, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. See you guys on the next video. Bye!
Oh, and guys, if you want to become a member, if you look at the subscribe button, it says join. If you become a member, you'll see all these videos first before they actually go onto YouTube. So till the next time, guys, bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,